children, how are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe at home. I am Mrs. Rupa and I will be handling the biology classes for you. You will be wondering, what is this biology? So till last year, you studied science as a single subject. But from this year onwards, you will be learning science as two parts. That is, Science 1 and Science 2. In Science 1, you will be learning physics and chemistry, and in Science 2 as biology. Are you clear? So, this session is your biology session. So, let's start with the biology classes. So, our first lesson in biology is the living world of plants. Have you ever imagined the world without plants? No, not at all. Do you know why? We completely depend on plants for our survival. What do we get from plants? We get food, shelter, and clothes. So, we need plants. Got it? Yes, children. So, what are the objectives of this lesson? What are we going to learn new in this lesson? We are going to see what are the different varieties of plant and their functions, and what are the different forms of leaves, their functions and their modifications, and what are the different types of plant food consumed by animals and human, and different types of habitats and their adaptation. Do you have any doubt here? Now let us move on to the first part. Plant form and functions. What is this plant form? It is nothing but the parts of a plant. Are you clear, children? Yes. So what are the parts of a plant? So we have different parts as root, stem, leaf and flowers. Are you clear? So what are the different parts of a plant? Root, stem, leaves and flowers. Are you clear? Yes. Now, so based on these parts, a plant is divided into two different types of system. What are they? Two different types of system. They are shoot system and root system. They are root system and shoot system. Where do you see the shoot system and the root system? We see the root system below the soil and the shoot system above the soil. Okay, are you clear? Yes. We'll see about root system. So, the root is the underground part of a plant. Can you see the root above the soil? Normally, the roots are seen below the soil. That is, it is the underground part of a plant. You can see the root below the soil. The roots are positively geotropic. What is this positively geotropic? Geo means it is the earth. Tropic means growth. Geotropic means the growth of root towards the soil. So, the roots grow deep into the soil. Are you clear? Yes. So, basically we have two different types of root system. They are taproot system and the fibrous root system. Let us see the taproot system. What is this taproot system? It consists of a single central root which is called as a primary root. So see children, in this picture you can see the colored part which is in the center is called as a primary root. It is called as a primary root. So from that primary root only the secondary root and the tertiary root arises. Are you clear? So example is mango, neem, etc. So for example, all dicot plants have the taproot system. All dicot plants have the taproot system. Are you clear? Next we'll move on to the fibrous root system. So what is this fibrous root system? So this fibrous root system arises in a cluster. It arises in a cluster and the roots will be very thin and uniform in size. You cannot see very big roots for this monocot or the fibrous root system. So here the roots are very thin and they grow in a uniform size. They grow in a uniform size. And what are the plants which has this fibrous root system? You can see this type of roots in all monocot plants, that is all parallel venation, that is you can see for example grass, paddy, maize, etc. So these are monocot plants. In this plants we will see the fibrous root systems. Are you clear? Yes. Next is the functions of root. So what is the function of root? Why a root is there in a leaf? Without the root, the plants will not get food and water. So it helps the plant in fixing to the soil. So the main function is anchorage. What do you mean by anchorage? It is nothing but fixing a plant to the soil. So a plant get fixes to the soil, only then it will get the support. So the support is given by the root. So it helps in anchorage, that is nothing but fixation. Next, absorption of water and minerals from the soil. So you should keep in your mind always the root, it helps in absorbing the water and minerals from the soil. It needs energy, no? The plants need food. So for preparing food, the plant needs water and minerals. Are you clear? Next, stores the food in some plants like carrot, beetroot. Yes, so it helps in storage. So the food prepared is stored in the soil. Root, the food which is prepared by the plant is stored in the root. So this root is also used for the storage of food materials. You can see carrot, beetroot, etc. or the storage, the roots which stores the food in their part. Are you clear? Thank you children. We will see the next topic in our next session. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.